Hello, welcome to part 4. In part 4 we'll explain how to clad threads. So let's begin. So the first thing in cladding, we would start cladding the risers. So we pre-cut them, so we would start from the top working down. So cut it. Okay, so let's have a look. So we've got that one. What margin did? Let's have a look if it's this one. So as you can see, he cut the angle there. We kept that side straight, obviously it just joined there. It's a nice cut there. Have we got any more margin? We've got that one there as well. Okay, so now we will be doing that one just to show how it works. So there's a few things which I will recode margin doing it, so it will be easier to understand. So down here we've got the riser. Margin, first of all, you start checking the height of it. Any advice I can give sometimes when this sample staircase is quite new, so as you can imagine the older staircases will have this area been heavily used, so it may be slightly lower than the edges, so where I would check the height is at the ends. Then we transfer the height into the riser. The tools you can use, in the previous videos I've mentioned you can be using even a handsaw. The medium range of the tools would be the jigsaw, and obviously if you're more advanced you would have one of these track saws. Having a track saw or plunge saw is probably the fastest way of doing it, and it's for joiners and more advanced DIYers. Okay, we've got that. So the next step is, we have that on our website, the template. So let's see how the template works. So now, just to measure from side to side, a very simple tool. So let's have a look. We'll just one of the triangles there. You just tie that knot there. Very straightforward. Now we'll transfer that to anything what you have to remember, left and right hand side. Bear in mind the corners, to touch the corner there. So we had 3 cuts, we had a 1 height cut and left and right hand side cut done, and let's see if we need an adjustment or whether it's gonna fit straight in. Right, seems to be okay. So as you can see, very simple, very easy way of cutting the risers. Then we've got another riser to do, which is the Bullnose riser. Again, the height, in this case, you're likely to use your jigsaw to cut it to the height, the correct height, and then it's just to trim the ends and measure that accordingly.